Explore how to navigate and utilize different chart types in VTrender. From selecting specific charts like Nifty and BANKNIFTY to switching between MarketProfile, Orderflow, and line chart views, this guide will help you enhance your charting capabilities. Click in the bottom right of the chart. Click the selected button to go to Line Charts, second from left. You can change the instrument to anything you want in this mode also. Choose and change the number of days you want to see on the chart. Select the Orderflow chart type. Select this field. Navigate to this section. You now get an Orderflow chart on screen. Discover how to seamlessly switch between MarketProfile, Orderflow, and line chart views in VTrender. Learn to select specific charts, navigate menu options, and optimize your charting experience at the bottom right of the charts.